The FABULETTA Cordless Vacuum Cleaner FV01 is equipped with a high-performance brushless motor that offers powerful suction across 3 adjustable modes, ensuring efficient cleaning for various surfaces. Weighing only 5.3 pounds, this vacuum's lightweight design and user-friendly LED display make it perfect for effortless one-hand cleaning around the home. With a detachable high-capacity battery, the vacuum provides an impressive maximum runtime of 50 minutes in eco mode, allowing for extended cleaning sessions without frequent recharging. This versatile 6-in-1 vacuum cleaner comes with multiple accessories, making it adaptable for cleaning different areas such as carpets, floors, sofas, and even cars. The advanced 5-stage HEPA filtration system captures nearly all dust particles, ensuring that the air released is purified and safe for your family. FABULETTA offers excellent after-sales support, including a 12-month warranty and 24-hour customer service to address any concerns you may have.